are on. We are on. What's going on YouTube, guys? Good morning, Willie. Good morning, man. Good to have you on the stream. Good to have you guys on the stream. Happy Friday. Fun coupon Friday. Alright, let me just make sure we got this all up here. Let me just change this. Wrong one. Boom. Alright, there we go. Cool. How many people we got? 11 people. Alright, let me notify to everyone that we are live. Cool. We get the Zoom guys in. How many people we got tuning in? 6 likes. Look at that, guys. As soon as we hit 10 likes, I'll start sharing my screen. We'll start breaking down the markets because it's Fun Coupon Friday today. We're here to make that bank. Here to make that bank. We got. I'll let a few more people tune in. Just jumped on a little bit early. Good morning, man. Angus, what's going on, man? Good to have you on the stream. People are rocking up now. I'll let you guys tune in. I'm going to be watching. Let me just fire up a little GJ chart, see what's going on, see if we're going to be watching GJ. But main focus today is going to be oil and gold. Oil and gold today. Oh, look at that drop on oil yesterday. Beautiful. We've had another green week so far in the markets. So looking to continue that today and hopefully take some trades with you guys. Owen, good morning, man. Good morning. Good morning. Let me just let the community guys know that we are going live. Let me get Zoom up. 13 people tuning in, 7 likes. Where is everyone today? Everyone's still sleeping? So you just turned 4. All right, look at that, more people tuning in now. Everyone's still sleeping today. No one wants that Fun Coupon Friday. We are here to make some bank today. Make some bank on gold. All right. Let me just invite everyone. Boom, boom. I'm doing for everyone on YouTube. I am doing a 50k funding challenge giveaway today in the community. Giving away a 50k challenge. So if you guys want to be in a chance for winning that 50k account, you just got to be in the community by the end of today. We're going to be giving away a 50k account challenge, which I'm super excited about. All right, we got the guys coming in now. My man, Raf, what's going on, man? Good to have you on the stream. Look at that, guys. 8 likes, 2 more likes. I'll start sharing my screen. Goldie, goldie, goldie. Oil had a massive drop yesterday. GJ's just had a pretty solid close on that hourly candle, liquidating some highs. 5-minute pushing up. House gold just closed. 10 likes. Look at that. Gold in Asia today has not done a lot. Had a nice little push down and then continued this range. All right, let me start sharing my screen with you guys. Let me get everyone in. Oh, shit, stream hasn't ended. No one leave. We're still here. All right, there we go. Why am I so small? There we go. Boom. All right, let me just let the Zoom guys in. Everyone joining. Let me share my screen. Cool. All right. The boys are joining. More people in the waiting room. Alan, Angel. How would you say that gold and oil differ against Forex pairs? More volatility for me. More volatility, cleaner moves. Been years now. Raf, it has been. It's been a while, man. It's been a while. It's good to hear. Good to hear from you. I've been good, man. I've been good. Hope you've been good as well. Hello, good sir. Yo, boys are here. What's going on? I know the look of that face. I know what that means.
What up?
What up? What up? You take any Asia trades so far yet, Cade?
What's going on, man?
We are going to make some bank this morning.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, you did?
Yeah.
That's cap.
Yeah, it's not.
That is cap.
People got work, mate. Come on.
When you work from home, that means work from home and trade from home.
No, I'm in the office.
Oh, are you? No, you're not. No, you're not. You almost got me.
You guys still playing golf tomorrow? Or is there gonna be
Oh, my boyfriend hasn't told me.
I wish I had an answer for you.
He's messing me around. He goes, yeah, I'll pick you up.
One minute it's yes, the next minute it's I'm busy. I just don't know anymore.
Cap. Actually, my mum is here though tomorrow.
We can go on Sunday to be fair. I don't mind.
No.
Just let me know. I'm a very busy guy. My time is incredibly valuable.
Yeah, no, you know what? Let's do Sunday.
All right.
She's up from Radelaide.
Oh, nice.
She's here for the night.
Nice.
She leaves Sunday morning, so yeah, we'll do Sunday.
Yeah, sweet man. Sweet as. All right.
Watch him not text or call me now, Alad. That's what's gonna happen. He won't text or call me reminding me.
It's cap. That's cap.
you said Anna's on YouTube now, so it's recording. So
No, it's happening. It's happening. All right. Let's start breaking down Goldie. So, Goldie has completely engulfed Wednesday's candle. Complete fake out of this level. No bottom wick yesterday. Completely broke back above. Trading above again, above 1950. And the level of interest for me this morning is 1955. So, coming into the last day of this week. See, the weekly still gives me bearish signs. You know, it's still at this level. We have left a nice 3-pin pattern here on the weekly, so it's a very, very big level. I don't think there's any big news today that should. Nah, Canadian dollar news, nothing crazy for the US dollar. So we could be good to continue yesterday's momentum, which was very strong. Now, gold on the 4 hour, broken back above 1955. Now, 1955 and pretty much all of this is one big massive level. Did we just liquidate that high? Yes. Okay. So gold has the potential to maybe see a little dip lower back into these levels before pushing higher. So from an intraday perspective, what can we currently see on the hourly? Well, we kind of got this level here, and we kind of got this level here. So we've got this resistance, we've got this support, broke above, broke, resistance, big drop, massive fake out, support. You know, I think if we're going to have another big push up, I think we need to come and liquidate this low at least. So it could be a low of interest. in terms of what highs we got. You can maybe grab that high before having that dip back down, but there is some lovely levels for gold to come back down and retrace some of this move today. Or whether we keep pushing up, then we'll take it, but we'll wait for the break back above this resistance. If we take on this fib like this, maybe come back down 50, 61, 1950s, sitting all the way back down there as well. Whether we come down that low today, I'm not sure. But for now, we're in this tight range of 35 pips. We can see that on the 5 minute as well. So 5 minutes has gone very, very quiet. We had an aggressive push up yesterday at the New York Open, and then we have ranged for the rest of the session, kind of dipped lower towards the end, and then we have ranged a little bit this morning. So Goldie, we're going to see how we react around these levels. If we can get some shorts into this low and potentially down into here, something we consider. 5 minute is flipping pretty bullish though. 5 minutes kind of got this little support there, kind of got, where's the next resistance? Kind of got resistance right there. See this support. So yeah, just need a little bit more of breakouts on Goldie, so we can look for some positions. 30 minutes trapped in this little range. 30 minutes finding some resistance. I think we'll grab the highs one more time before a potential move. So plan of action: if we grab these highs, we'll short it down into here. Or if we grab these lows, then later on we could long up into there, whatever the hell that is. We can take whatever that is. So that's plan of action for gold. We'll let gold find its feet for a little bit more. Kind of got this little 30 res there as well. So two strong levels. But if we were gonna take longs, we needed to clear both of these levels. But if we see gold break lower, it's got really, really nice levels. If we break from here to come back down to this low, we're talking 50. Come back down to here, 70 to a potential 100 pip move, which could be very, very nice. So yeah, that's plan of action for gold. Now we just wait for them breakouts, wait for that volume. I'll be watching oil as well. Oil, just get oil on the big chart. Had a lovely push down yesterday. Had a lovely push down though, but still daily is finding some big support. It's a very, very key level. So we rejected off it yesterday and then whipped all the way back up, which is massive. But oil is in this big range. How's the weekly starting to form with one more day to go? Very, very bearish, but also around weekly support. Now, if we have a look at the 4 hour is in a big range. Kind of got this sort of, maybe left shoulder head, right shoulder this level. Maybe we'll go and fill in this wick. On the hourly's creeping a bit lower. Kind of got some support there. Broke resistance, big dip. Maybe come back down to these levels. So lots to watch out for today. Lots to watch out for. So watch gold on the oil on the 15.
Could have been a 21% trade for me yesterday in my demo.
Oh, solid. From what is it up here? I think it was up there.
Well, I stayed in bed this morning.
Yeah, that's fucking crazy drop. Oil is bloody beautiful. I need to start watching it more.
Yeah, need to get into it more now.
Yeah.
I've deleted that.
Yeah.
I know they're just unfamiliar moves.
Yeah.
And like you said, I don't think it works well with how Strat works now. So yeah, I don't know. It's just weird.
Yeah.
I would rather just go back to Wild because I kind of remember the similarities there, so I can get back into it.
Yeah. Yeah. Oil moves very well. Oil and gold. If you can we just trade oil and gold. We're chilling.
Yeah. Have you ever tried oil, Lewis?
Can you speak louder for the people in the back?
Sorry. Am I talking quiet? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Have you traded oil, Lewis?
No, not personally. I used to, like on a demo account, but not recently.
Oh.
Well, you don't still trade demo? What do you mean?
No, like when I first started, I remember you were like telling me like, yeah, demo's really good. You can like trick people into thinking you're good. You remember all that?
That's cat.
Uncle Aaron, yeah.
Can you expand on the challenge? How is it done? And what is the start amount? It's just a 50k funding challenge. So I'll be giving away a 50k funding challenge for someone to trade the challenge.
If I lose, it's rigged.
And the winner is Lewis. But yeah, I want to see some nice moves on gold. He had that little scalp yesterday on Goldie. Hit. Had a break even on Thursday in the Asian session, and we had that win in London, very small. And then she ripped yesterday off that news, weak US dollar news yesterday. If Aaron wins, it's rigged. So yeah, now we just want to wait for Goldie to break out of this little range. Asia's been in a very, very tight range. You know, we're at this big resistance. We've just liquidated this high, had a little sell-off. But I want to see how we're going to break. Are we just going to do a big range like this, or are we going to have some nice volume and come and retrace some of this move? Let's have a look at NAS as well. There's some little NAS plays last night. It changed with the Either way, it's rigged, alright?
I didn't know that, Lewis. But it's good to know. Thank you for bringing that to my attention. He's trying to rig it. That's just...
It is. Yeah, whoever wins it
Are we talking to the
is rigged.
gambling commission this afternoon?
It's just... I don't know. Sammy's been going with some banger trades lately.
Sammy has some good signals, I'll have you know.
You know?
Yeah, that's
He does his EF thing, doesn't he?
He does.
Up for buys, down for sells.
Yeah, one head down, full margin longs. Both ears down. Get the fuck out, cut your position.
It's very simple, but you can think about it.
It is. Always, that's what we say, keep it simple. Just follow Sammy's analysis and you'll do well.
I wonder how his emotions are.
He's pretty good. He is pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
For the most part. He has his moments, but
Like women, really.
yeah, very true. It's very true. Naz is flipped very bullish. Okay, oh, we didn't grab that weekly low. Did the S&P grab that weekly low? I reckon. No, not yet. Interesting. So the daily on Naz yesterday has flipped incredibly bullish and having an initial push down
I
here.
can take out some highs today.
Yeah, maybe this flip bullish and come and run these highs. That'd be nice. Maybe come retrace some of this. That was a pretty fair price to come into there.
We've got a nice little target on the S&P daily, so once it hits that, I'm just going to close.
Yeah. You know my little short I sent you yesterday that I took here. I was looking to come and grab this triple bottom. S&P had already done it. I checked this morning. I was like, oh, you motherfucker. Yeah, I'm keen to watch NAS. I've been enjoying NAS a little bit again. We had our moment, but actually I can prefer like that. Right. Gold, gold, gold. Just broke our little level, flipping bullish. 15's just closed. 15 is looking quite bearish, but it's in this very, very tight range. We haven't liquidated the previous 15-minute highs just yet. How many pepperonis you got down into this low?
Can close below 1962.65. I'm looking for shorts until at least 1956.
Yeah.
On the 5 minute, 15 minute side. You wanted to close below that level there, didn't you?
Probably this one, yeah.
That one.
Yeah. No, but just this 1962. This is just a low that I think we may snipe.
Yeah.
May liquidate that low before a little run.
Yeah. Be nice.
EA ripping. Good shit. Good shit. 30-minute trend line plus the high bid liquidate would be beautiful. Yeah, man. Yeah. What are you looking at like that? Kind of breaking out, grabbing them highs. Yeah, I think we need to grab some more highs first. I mean, the overall trend is very bullish. So if we can catch some longs, that would be lovely. But I do think we could at least come and liquidate some lows first. This low down here, and you know, anyone trying to jump in longs from here at this support, I would assume they probably have their stops somewhere below here, looking for this massive continuation all the way back up. So yeah, I think this low, which is this one here, is a possibility to be sniped and traded into. Maybe we come and grab some highs first. Maybe come and take these highs. Do you trade SMC or fault breakout trades? No, man. No SMC here. I just trade liquidity grabs and overall support and resistance and intraday momentum. I don't trade order blocks, any of that stuff, any of that good stuff.
Yeah, that's smart.
Hey, yeah, it's very smart.
Yeah, it's like smart money kind of thing.
I see what you did there. Is SMC? Yeah, Lewis is SMC. That's Lewis.
Yeah, I just the same when I was on mute. He just answered my question.
I think this 15 on gold is going to flip bearish or not. This makes it a little bit bigger. Well, we got no news to get in our way today, which is nice.
Is that smart money assholes?
Eh? What's it?
SMA. Smart money dickheads. Any more?
You just don't understand it.
Yeah, you're not understanding what I'm trying to say,
I
Lewis.
made my first million doing SMA.
Did
and
you?
Lost my first million joining these communities.
Yeah, Lewis made his first million from selling an SMC course.
But now he's here.
Yeah, now he's here. Yeah. Now he's here to sell another one.
I'm still linking my Telegram, Luke. Linking my bio. If it's not Telegram, then I know it's fake.
15 minute, leaving some big wicks, but the 15 minutes not liquidated any highs. These highs here, for me, need to be grabbed. 5 minute flipping bullish. 5 minutes are very, very choppy. How do you calculate the position size? Just use a position size calculator. There's many you can use.
Don't be harsh.
I'm not. There's many different ones you can use. Right, this is kind of the waiting room. How do I go from the waiting room? You can use Stinu on your phone. You can use the ones built into MT4. You can use MyFX books. MyFX books. MyFX book.
The amount of sarcasm that was on the Thailand trip. Can you imagine Lewis in that mix as well? Holy cow. We would be fine, you know, but someone.
Kate's just joined back.
What are we taking?
We just put stops to break even on gold longs.
Yeah, nice.
That's what I meant. We took profits here. I mean, 10 pips. We're done for the day.
Yeah, no, I wasn't that exact right.
But if you're day trading, you need to know what your position size is before you even get into the position. Because if you're trying to day trade, you got to waste time figuring out your position size. You're for the most part going to miss the move. So you need to know what position size you're trading before you even come into the day. Otherwise, if you see a setup, then you got to start working out what position size do I take. And you're gonna start hesitating, and this is just more things to think about. More things to think about. It makes, more hesitation and more wasting time. You just trade 100 contracts and you'll be fine. What are we taking today, Lewis? Are we buying or selling now?
There's nothing to take at the moment.
Well, not with that attitude, there's not.
Well, yeah, until I change it, there's not.
No, there's really not. Not yet. Not yet.
Nothing.
Did you see any plays later on in the US, or did you not really watch it?
Me.
No, I was out.
Yeah, fair enough. They didn't miss much, to be fair. After that rip up, it just kind of was expected to just chop around for so long. That push up was huge. Huge.
So nice.
It comes right at the 9:30 New York Open. The volume just fucking booms every time. Every time this week, 9:30 Open, Nas pumping or dumping. 2:30 London time. Yeah.
2:30.
Yeah. What was it this week? There, look at that. 2:30. We call the highs. Drop. What time is that? Oh, that's a nice push in London. Yeah, really nice. Where's 2:30 again?
Oh, I see the position, huh?
Oh.
What time was that?
Wait, where? You didn't see anything.
Are you praying?
Who?
Oh no, I hear someone mumbling.
I'm actually talking now, quiet.
Wait, are you talking to Alan or someone else?
I don't know.
I don't know. Alan probably.
Alan.
Alan.
That's the best Welsh accent ever, I think. YouTube guys, 29 people tuning in. Remember, drop a little like for the stream. As soon as we hit 20 likes, we'll get that spike in volume in the markets. 5 minutes to stuck in this little range. We're going to get that 30 close soon as well. Oh.
What's up, phone? Someone on labour?
I think so. I need to get some tunes on. Let me get some tunes on here.
Speak up, please.
Where the tunes at? Alad, you're talking a bit too loud. Keeping it down a bit.
I'm shut in now.
There we go. Let me just see if I can hear this on the video.
Some music you don't get copyright with, correct?
Yeah, I have copyright-free music playing. It's always a bit shit though, to be honest. It's so fucking cheesy.
Mm-hmm. Maybe that's why it's free.
Yeah, true. True.
Trying to get the name of the. You'll call him Smack.
Please slip up. Alright. What's Oil up to? Oil's gonna get this 30 close soon. Oil wicking the lows.
I'm making a level around there.
Yeah.
It's just higher time frames. And the 15 was looking nice.
Yeah, it absolutely dropped so hard yesterday. It was absolutely huge. I just put stops to break even on that move. I wish.
And how's that gold move in US?
Ah, man. Booming. Absolutely booming. It just ripped. Anyone catch any little plays in here? Fucking ripped.
I tried to get in, took a half loss.
Yeah, that
Your loss.
unemployment claims came in and it just shot to the absolute moon. 5 minutes about to close strong here. Yeah, I think gold's gonna come and grab some more highs. There's no setup to take it just yet, but I think we're gonna run the highs.
Is there any news today?
Nah, not really. Some Canadian dollar news later on, but nothing for the dollar, which is good.
USA.
So hopefully we get some good volume, take some goldy positions, but I'm not taking anything at all today. Nothing at all. Yesterday was like a net of like 260 after commissions and stuff, so it was been a pretty slow grind for me this week. A very slow grind. How do I share this here? Let me get this over here. There we go. Oh, we've been on a really nice incline here, but this week has been very, very slow. So break even there, 100 there, 200 there, 200 there, but very, very slow.
This one,
What's this? What did he do? He went up yawned. Did he yawn? Okay, do you want to keep that down, mate?
Yeah,
It's private banking information. I told you I'm not actually allowed to hear that.
Oh. We are recording as well.
1,000 contracts on futures right now, Tim. Oh, shit.
What, buy or sell? What am I doing?
The bank is selling.
Alright, I'm in.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm in. Goldie. Did you got? This is just a waiting game here on gold. I'm not gonna do anything until this 30 gives us some volume. This 5 minutes whack at the minute. But we can just adjust the support here. 30 close bullish. Doji. You know, we may push up higher, but I'm not trading gold in this 5-minute range. How did oil just close on the 30? Doji. Nice little wick. So we just have to wait. If anyone else is watching anything else, do you want me to run over some pairs whilst we wait? Feel free to let me know, because I'm just waiting for these now.
UJ had a huge rip today.
Oh man, big
Massive.
big push. I saw your catch. You got a lovely catch.
Yeah.
Where you
yeah,
get-
clean.
Was it in from? Was it here?
Hang on, let me see. Where you go?
Or was it lower?
Lower.
Down this one?
Yep.
Yeah, fucking banging position, man. Oh, what's going on here? Yeah, literally liquidated them lows. Liquidate them lows. Juicy 5-minute close. As soon as that 5-minute close, buy stop on the break. Yeah, banging position, man. Beautiful. I haven't traded UJ too much, but I think it's another one that does move quite well. That's a lovely push.
It was only paper, so
Still
GU
good, man.
and UJ, I'm trading on paper.
Yeah, good man.
UJ's for Asia session, GU's for London.
Nice. Yeah, that's a lovely catch. Oh. Look at Goldie in this range. I think I'll maybe grab that previous 30-minute low before flipping higher. If we grab this 30-minute low before this candle flips bullish, I will consider maybe long up into these highs here, if it makes sense. But if we don't, then we just have to wait. Check EU. Check EU. I assume it's probably doing pretty similar to gold after that move yesterday. Yeah, very similar. But yeah, it's had that beautiful push as well. But again, you don't want to do anything until you get a little breakout. You're not grabbed any highs, so if we push lower today, leaves this high to have this continuation back up. Maybe come and retest these levels here. Could look for some shorts down into there. You could probably see it, maybe grab that low or some shit. Could be nice. Grab them highs, boom. GU. I don't really day trade these pairs too much, but we can have a look. GUs have a nicer kind of breakout, kind of got support there. Oh, kind of got resistance right now. So it's ranging. So if you break to the upside, you could take it higher, or I'd be wary of us needing to come down and retrace some of this move. You may grab that high first before doing that, so something to watch out for. Maybe grab that high and then have a retracement of some of this. Little pullback before overall continuing that push. But yeah, most US dollar pairs are you know, after, especially on gold, after you know, almost 250 pip run up, it's bound to need to create some space and grab some more liquidity before having that continuation back up. It's never just going to continue pushing up. It needs to range, slow down, grab some liquidity, and then continue. Thanks for planning to short the retracement. Good man. Good man. See if you can grab them highs, and you may get that play back down. Morning, guys. Good morning, man. Good morning. Good to have you on the stream. We're just waiting for this breakout and some volume on gold. As soon as we get some gold, as soon as we get some volume, I'll be looking for some plays. Yeah, I'm not going to do anything until this 5 or 15 it gives me good sign of volume. You don't want to be trading shit like this. You just get completely chopped up. How's he beat his owly? Yeah, so it's this massive resistance. But before we have a drop lower to come retest these levels, we always wick out the highs. Left a little double top there, wicked out the highs, had that nice retracement. So we may come and grab the highs, and then we could see that retracement. So if we do break higher, we'll consider it. 30 is just starting to flip bullish. Didn't grab the previous 30. Did we grab the previous 15? Kind of did grab it there. So we grabbed that previous 15, now having that push back up. See how we react if we break above this resistance. See how this 15 is going to close for potential longs. You know, maybe back up into here. But I'd want to see a really nice strong 5 minute. A nice strong 5 minute with good volume like this or something. Now look for the retracement and then I'll play it back up. Good competitive broker. Blueberry markets. Blueberry markets are good. Yeah. So I use for personal. Oil. Wicking the lows, also wicking the highs. Just stuck in this little kind of range for now. It may just wait for the London Open, see what London Open brings. But yeah, oil stuck in this little range. GU grabbing them highs, very nice. That's what you want to see before a potential push lower. Because, yeah, lovely, look at that. There you go. You already know, look at this. So this wick right here, this wick is a retail trap. This is a wick where everyone thinks, no, this is a nice rejection, break, whoever trades breaks and retest. You broke, retest, you try short here, you put your stop just above here, looking for this to come back down and retrace this. So anyone trying to short GU is now getting hunted and stopped out, which is exactly what you'd want to see. So maybe this is a false pre-London push up. If you break back into this range, close back below, you could short this down to maybe come retest some of these levels down here. But that's what's happening right now is exactly what you'd want to see before a big push. Exactly the same as this push down on gold last week. On Wednesday. Liquidate all of these highs. Anyone trying to jump in shorts here, they have stops just above here. Everyone gets stopped out. And then gold absolutely drops 300 pips, which is insane. So that GU trade, I don't really trade GU, but that's looking like a nice little play. If you break back in the range, you could consider taking it lower. Bro, good morning. AJ, what's going on, man? Good to have you back on the stream.
Nice brand.
Yeah.
AJ, I like it. It's cool.
I'll tell him.
Tell him. He's like been born with like a snapback hat band. It sounds cool, like AJ. Change my name. Okay.
Yeah, whoever's.
Lewis or anything, but you know.
Oh no.
I know Lewis is at the top, like.
He's not saying he's not.
He's
not biting. He's not biting. Got stopped out on that gold one. Yeah, this is the hourly high that we were watching on gold, but yeah, any time like here, any time gold comes this high, this close to that previous high without having a liquidity grab, you already know, never short that. That's where everyone else is trying to do something like this, you know, looking for this monstrous play. Or anyone probably trying to jump in shorts here, they probably have their stops just above here, but there was no liquidity grab before this huge drop back down. So yeah, people would have got absolutely manipulated there on gold. Ripped them highs, stopped everyone out. 4 hour and hourly ripped incredibly bullish, and then boom, straight back down. So you can't jump in big swing shorts like that unless there's been some nice liquidity grabs to the highs. Same as this. If I want this to have a retracement back low, I think we need to come and just grab some little intraday highs for an intraday play back down. So yeah, that was an insane amount of manipulation there on gold on Wednesday, but it was very, very nice to see. Because of them, you know, even if you did get stopped out, once that hourly flips bearish and engulfs, you know, you just take the shorts back down and you just make even more back. But it's very important, like on that GU one, in order for us to have the push back down, you have to grab the liquidity. So it'll be interesting to see, like I say, anyone who's trying to jump in, this is now being stopped. So it'll be interesting to see how this now plays. Look at that, 15-minute rejection on GU, big wicks around this level. Every retailer is trying to do that right now, trying to do something like that this morning, getting stopped out. Now we grab that high, and you can see how we now play. If you break back into the zone and start to flip bearish, then you want to take the shorts, you put your stops above the liquidity grab, you get that nice rollover. Liquidity grabs are the most important part of the plan. The most important part. If there's no liquidity grabs and no stop hunts, I can't take any trade. Like this high interests me on gold, this high here. Exactly the same as, you know, if we're going to have a massive run for a big swing move back up, we need to come and grab this support and maybe even come and grab this hourly low. Once we liquidate that, then we could look for that big swing continuation back up. Look at this 5-minute on gold. This is crazy. 15 close in 30 seconds. Let's see how this is going to close. 10, 9, 8. How's it? 15 looking. 15. Ooh, there you go. See here. We're mentioning here we had to grab them 15-minute highs, so we just grabbed that 15-minute high. 15 has just closed doji there, having that initial push up. Let's go on to 30. So 30 is doji. Yeah, I think we could come and maybe grab this 30-minute low. So yeah, I still need to. 15 is not giving me enough to want to jump in just yet. I need to see a little bit more from this. Need to see a little bit more. Alright guys, give me 2 seconds, I'm just gonna run to the toilet.
Anyone catch any of those moves in New York last night?
No, I didn't, Matt. I was watching that gold. I wish I did enter that gold sales yesterday, but not to be. But then I think I was off. 20 past 2. I had to go, so I didn't really watch a lot of it.
You didn't catch any of that US100 push loss?
No, I didn't trade them yesterday afternoon. I was out. But I got in the morning, but I was stuck in a rage and ended up losing the trade.
Oh yeah.
It's horrible. I was 5 minutes away from it shooting up and just took it too early.
Yeah, but I took a loss on gold, trying to get in on that push too early.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was my own fault. The news announcement was about an hour off.
Yeah. We'll get the next one.
Yeah, next one.
taken one trade this week.
How many, sorry? One.
One.
Yeah, nice.
Just a one.
Yeah, it's been a very slow week for me. A very slow week.
I destroyed my 100% win streak.
Ah.
Great.
Ah.
No, I'm now at break even.
You would have been an influencer after that.
I know.
Fuck, man.
I nearly tagged you in my stories.
They get it back.
Yep.
Get a chance to be 75%.
Just revenge trade.
Yeah, absolutely. That's what we're here for.
Also somebody.
That's what we're here for. Yeah, it is a lovely run. But without that news, you never would have had that run. Like it just that insane drop yesterday, then boom, straight back up.
Speaking of, GJ
Just grab some
had a
highs.
100 pip push today.
I was watching that before. Oh wow, re-breaking them highs now. GJ, oh yeah, look at that daily. Oh, broke our level, grabbing them. When's that high from? Grabbing that high now. Yeah, huge.
It did have to be, what, 2016 the high?
Let me get rid of all this shit now. Let me get rid of this, let me get rid of this. This.
Those lines remind me of the electricity lines in Bangkok.
Yeah, February 2016 is the high it's grabbing.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah. Huge. Back at high 2016, yeah, that's fucking crazy.
If it gets clear of 176-ish,
Yeah.
we got another, what, 400 pip range, something like that.
Yeah, you get a nice like as soon as now that you've broken above this level, oh man. Well, or what we do is we wait about a year, then we catch like a 10-year long swing at this 71 right now. You start shorting GJ, load up shorts, hold it for 10 years, and you make like 7,000 pips.
Well, I've got no time limit on my funding channel.
So how long did it take to go from here? So that was like 2 years. No, 3 years. Yeah, we got a nice 4-year long 7,000 pip swing. And pretty good to me. Have that continue. Overall, we're incredibly bearish.
Warren Buffett said it's time in the market, right?
Yeah, exactly. We had this swing. Came up into that 61. Haven't filled these levels. Yeah, it's looking good. Alright, everyone load up some big swing shorts on GJ. Yeah, it's huge though. Now that's it. Insane levels. This level here. This what have we got? 172. Look at this. Back in 2014, from all the way back here in 2001. Look at this. 1996. 1993.
Head and shoulders from the 90s.
Oh mate, it's insane. Fucking huge. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, GJ has just been on a overall insane decline. GJ used to be at fucking 700, which is crazy.
How long does that chart go back?
Go back as far as 75. Back as 1975, which is crazy. Oh, we had a little breakout here. I think we have. Oh, look at that. Broke out, ripping higher. Huge. No top, no bottom wick on this current hourly. Candlesticks from 75, yeah, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. How's that GU playing? Oh, look at that. Very nice. Anyone who just joined the stream, I did absolutely not take that. This is just what retailers are looking at. Retail trap. Everyone's just joined the stream and seen that and be like, what the fuck is this? I'm stream hopping somewhere else.
No.
Guru.
Another Furu streamer. Alright, we're gonna get. How does Owly sound if I'm on oil? Oil seems to be picking up a little bit of volume. Now we're gonna get this London Open soon as well. Yeah, oil's having some nice breakouts now.
Your stop loss wasn't so tight, you know. If you give it some room, you know.
Peak run. Gold on this 5.15. Hourly. Is the hourly gonna reject? Is it gonna close above? Yeah, hopefully this London Open gives us some volume though. Pick up that volume.
Yeah, I need some volume.
Yeah, I need some volume, man.
Yeah. Am I louder without the headphones?
Yes, you are.
Same, to be honest.
Yeah.
Fuck, no, I think I'm on mute.
Nah, we can.
Don't know, I'll answer once, guys, right?
I think Alan's muted.
You know?
Not that kind of volume.
Where'd Alan go?
Fuck Alan.
Oil's starting to pick up. Goldie coming very close to this high. Anyone trying to jump in some shorts now? Try and do something like this. Looks like a little trap on gold. This 30. 30's not grabbed any 30 lows just yet, so I'm not interested in the longs yet. How many pips is this range that you could get stuck in?
Break up to that range.
It's only, yeah, it's a 10 pip range, so we'd need to clear that. Unless it was a jump out position, I would want it to clear that. 35 people tuning in. YouTube guys, drop a little like for the stream. Get that algo pumping. Sales for US30. How did yesterday close? Pretty strong, nice bottom wick on the daily. 4 hour, ripping all this resistance, which is very nice. What is your monitor? Have 4 charts at once? It's a good question. How wide actually is this monitor?
Hey, what about Messi going to into Milan?
Get his money.
You think you nearly did. Yeah. No,
I actually don't know how wide that monitor is. Let me see where I bought it. I think it's... What is it? It's a... I think it's like 32 or something. 32, 32 or 34. It's not that one.
That's a whole TV.
Yeah, it's a whole TV. That's what I need.
You ever used a portable monitor, Aaron? I think you said you had one.
Yeah, I got one, man. I got one. I always take it with me.
Are they any good?
Yeah, well good, man. Plugs, like, just powers off your laptop. And like this, the definition of it's fucking well good. It's...
And would it fit in a backpack?
Oh yeah, easy, man. Mine fits. Well, I got mine here. Fucking hell. So yeah, I got where are you? Yeah, I got mine here. It's literally, it's just that. You can't. It's just super thin, and like this case is also the stand for it as well. And it's like the actual monitor is, and it's so thin. It's so light. It's just literally USB-C straight into your laptop. Like when you travel around with it, it's like you don't even know it's there, but it's so fucking handy. For your Euro trip, you should definitely get one.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
Definitely.
Hey,
I think
what's that one you forgot?
this is, let me see this on my Amazon. I'll send you this one. This one is really good. Because I used to have another one, but the quality wasn't great, whereas this one is much better. I'll send it to you.
Just having the chart, now that I'm working off a big monitor plugged into my laptop, like have an MT4 on one and the chart on the other, it's like I can't even imagine how I managed to trade for 2 years without it.
Yeah, it's so, oh man, it's just so much more refreshing just having it on a separate one. This is the one I got. But you can get too fair. Like this is $300, but you can get cheap. I've seen cheaper ones than that.
That's much less than I expected.
Yeah, they're good. They're so worth it. So I used to have this one, but the quality wasn't very good on this one.
No, I'm getting one.
No, this one.
Settled.
Yeah, it's worth it, man. It's amazing. And like I say, it's so easy to travel with that it's just like you don't even know it's there. Oh, look at this! The last 5 minutes on gold. Gold re-breaks them highs. You could get a nice drive. You gotta be break even there.
Motherfucker.
Whoa! What?
Huh?
What have you done?
Sounds like a lot of emotions right there.
No, I was in shorts on US100, then gold break even.
Ah. Well, there you go. There's gold ripping them highs now. This is the last 5 of that hourly close. Look at that, just flip bullish. That was actually quite a nice play. Wicked out all them lows, reflip bullish. I think the flip was around here.
Yeah.
What you just hit? You just hit in a return. That's quite a nice play. You'd want to be break even though. Let me just see how this is gonna go. That would have been actually would have been a nice flip there. Yeah, motherfucker. This is good. We're getting some volume. Getting that volume. I probably should have taken that quick flip actually. It's quite aggressive, but it was valid. So let's see if you would have got stopped at break even. If I did, I would definitely be at break even on this. Now that we've grabbed this high, let's see how it just goes. Morning, bro. Hope you're doing amazing. Right, what's going on, man? Good to have you on stream. I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. It's a fun coupon Friday. I'm gonna make some bank today. Oh, you would have been close to getting you. Oh, yeah, you would have got break even. Anyway. Oh yeah, that sounds like my card monitor.
I don't like the way that it hasn't created the top wick on it. No. Do you think it's going to continue here?
Yeah, well, if we grab some 30-minute lows, I would consider this flip. Maybe if you just grab some 15-minute lows.
I'm thinking if it took out the previous 5 minutes, I might put a buy it.
Yeah.
But then stop loss would be huge, wouldn't it? No, I wouldn't.
No, it's quite nice.
Yeah, 10 pips.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Hello.
Grab it. If we can grab this previous 15 low, I will consider it. Is this the one I've got?
Where's your 15 chart?
This little one.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah.
Sorry. You got like spider eyes?
Yes.
Yeah. 8 eyes, you can see it all.
I need to bring these over, and I'll get another 2 here as well. We'll get 6 charts on the go. More charts, 100% has a direct correlation to more bank. More charts means more profit. So as many charts as you can get, and you'll make even more money. There's a direct correlation.
That fuck off bullshit is.
Yeah, this is the one I have. Is it this one? I think it's bigger than that. Let me see. I don't know what fucking monitor this is.
Yeah, that's what you tell all of us.
15.6 is a pretty stock standard laptop screen size.
Yeah. Mine's 15.6, I think. But my curved screen back home is like 34 inches. Just so nice.
You got a curved screen?
Yeah.
How do you find it?
On eBay. It was
I mean to use, I mean.
Oh, great. I love it. It's great. I don't know, it's just so much better.
Ooh, gold has just grabbed that previous 15 high. 15 minute low. Just grabbed that previous 15 minute low. If this 15 flips bullish, I may have a buy here.
Yeah.
Very tight stop, only 10 pips. Alright, I'm gonna put this buy. I got this buying on gold now. Like this, and we're playing it up into these levels up here. But as soon as we tap into these regions, I am going to be managing aggressively. As soon as we come into these levels, I'll be managing aggressively. Yeah, that's what I'll get at. What is it? Curve monitor. 346. Yeah, 34 inch I have, man. 34 inch.
Are you in?
I got the order in. Let me see. Not yet, man, not yet. Close.
What are you getting filled in
1985.
Been tapped in by spreads.
Oh, motherfucker.
It happened to me last night as well.
That's fucking annoying, man.
Ah, you dog.
Yeah, if it re-breaks the low, I would cut it. Yeah, there you go. Okay, all right. I'm canceling that now. Re-breaking the low. I don't want to be in that trade. Got tagged in. Yeah, you got filter in spreads. Always filter in spreads. Or just put it a few pips above.
I'll rejoin the Zoom in a bit now, right?
All right, man.
What?
Oh.
Because I have to drive to work.
My partner's yelling at me.
You yelling at me?
Yeah, it did. Harley's got a margin call.
Like that all day, hey?
Right, 5 minutes just flipped. Incredibly bearish. I'll put this back in once this 5 starts to show signs of flipping back up. But if this 15 breaks back into this range, then we have to wait. Stop loss hit. No, man, didn't tag me in. You got filter in spreads. I'm trading this on futures, so you have to. If you're trading this on FX, you got to filter in spreads. Always filter in spreads. If it doesn't re-break the high, you don't take the trade. Or if it did tag you in and rip lower. What's that, sorry, man? Wait, oh. Did he not realise he's not muted? No. Ah, there you go. I think he's on a margin call. 5 minute. 5 minute would need to close nice and strong now for me to want to put this order back in. 15 has no top wick, so we could be grabbing all of these. We grabbed the 30 low. No, I haven't grabbed that 30 low there yet. Previous hourly. Yeah, previous hourly close strong above our level. So if this hourly can start to reflip, I'm going to be considering it again soon. But the more this 5 minute chops around, the more I am not interested. How'd that GU play? Yeah, nice. Look at that GU play. Right, oil. Oil regrabbing that previous 5-minute low. Now breaking higher. Seem to be getting some good start of some nice volume. If this volume can continue, that would be great. But even if you did get tagged in there and you hit stops, it's like, well, you had stops like there. It's like minus 11 pips is nothing. That's a very tight, good stop loss. That's what you want.
I'll just take the lesson. Not accounting for spreads 2 nights in a row.
Yeah.
Rookie.
Yeah, spreads can be a fucking bull wake. Yeah, you have to. It's easy to forget. It's quite annoying to do, but it just saves you just literally getting tagged in. Like if it doesn't break the high, then you should never be getting tagged in. What's my personal spreads right now? There's 5. See the 5 minutes. It's starting to reflect bullish, and this 15 is making me want to consider re-entering soon. Take high commissions. Commissions are like around $5. $5 per contract that you trade. Get a nice push now. If this can, I don't want to get chopped in this range, but if this 15 minutes starts to re-break its own high, this could be a nice push. Look at that 5 minute flipping very, very bullish now.
There's no wick on that 5.
Yeah, no bottom wick. And didn't grab a little double bottom there as well. But if it starts to have a big run.
On Forex.com it's got an eensy weensy little wick.
Does it? Nice.
Same with 8 cap.
Yeah, that's good. Did we grab the 30 line?
There's a small wick, yeah.
Yeah, nice. That's good enough for me. Alright, 5 minutes just closed bullish, hasn't engulfed just yet. See if this 5 can reflip and see how this 15 is gonna go. So this is the last 5 of this 15 now. If this 15 starts to reflip, we could look to take a position here. Good tip, okay, say turn on the bid and ask for your labels. Yeah, good shout, man. Absolutely. Bing, 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 bing. 5 minute flipping bearish. On this, see anywhere in this range on gold, 5 minute can just chop you around. So the main chart I'm watching here on the 15 is this chart on the 15, because this gold in the 5 minute is wild. Sorry, gold in the 5 as well, yeah. Because anywhere in this range, price can just do whatever the hell it wants. Look at that previous 5, bearish, bullish, now completely bearish. The last 5 of the 15 as well. So if this 5 re-breaks these lows, I think you just drive lower or just continue to range. So we're just gonna wait. If this 15 doesn't flip and we stay in this range, we do nothing. We just wait. Look at that price action. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
The range.
Yeah. As long as it stays in this range, I will not touch it. I will wait. Because the hourly was looking like we were going to get that beautiful volume. But now we've just come into all this hourly resistance as well. So now just having that dip low. It may come grab that hourly low. But I did want this 15. Even if this 15 just had this little quick flip run up into here, it's like 30 pips. Just see how this 5's going to go. Is the 5 going to flip? Is the 5 going to close bearish? What are you doing, Goldie? What are you up to? How's oil looking? Oil dipping back lower. Back into the range. Ranges are the story of my life this week.
It's like someone's taking a piss. What's going on there?
I think it's Alan in the car.
Bloody hell.
I'll mute it. Yeah, it's quite noisy. 5 minute can flip bearish. See, if this 5 minute can flip nice and aggressive, and we can see this 15 flip, I'll consider putting it back in. But I'm not going to put the order back in until this 5 minute maybe closes back above here. See how this 5's going to close. See this 15. Look at this. Now leaving that bottom wick. Will we reflip, or will we not? 5 minute just created that top wick, now pushing back down. How long we got? 1 more minute 30 till this 5's gonna close. We may just stay in this range for now by the looks of it. If the 15 closes like this back below this level, then we just have to wait. We just have to wait. 1 more minute. It's got 1 more minute to show me some nice volume. Yeah, it's a pretty solid 15 now. $40 seconds. Yeah, 5 minutes gonna close bearish. Yeah, closing back in that range. All right. As long as the 5 stays in this range, we do nothing. Now we just wait again. If we get some nice volume out of it, amazing, we can consider it. But as long as we stay in this range now, we gotta wait for a breakout. 15 tried to break out, broke straight back into the range. And this is a 26 pip range, which is not a big enough range for me to want to trade, unfortunately. Come on, 5 just close. There you go, 5 minutes just closed. 5 minutes just closed bearish. There you go, 15 closed back into this range. So, no position yet. Probably come back, spike down a little bit lower. Long Euro GBP, set stops to break even. Oh, let's have a look, man. Oh, very nice. Yeah, nice push there. Good shit, man, good shit. Five on Goldie. What's this 5 gonna do? Are we gonna break the support? 140 points on GU so far. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh yeah, look at that. See? GU did exactly what we said at the start of the stream. Had to grab them high. As soon as that 15 minute closes back in below that level, that's your short right there. As soon as it closes back in, there you go. There's your short. Now getting that lovely push. Can't gold have that fucking volume? But yeah, that's the exact play. As soon as we grab them highs, 15 minute close back into the range, get that solid push down. Very nice. I don't trade GU, but it's following the plan beautifully. Whereas Goldie doesn't know what the fuck it wants to do. So in the first 15 minutes of this London Open, first 15 minutes has given us some good volume though. Look at that 15, just broken back below this little level, so it looks like we had a little fake out there. But there's no positions to take just yet. Let's see how this fast gonna go. Oil wicked all the way down. Now trying to push back out of this range. Nas having a little push back down. I wonder if Nas is gonna have a push back up. Grabbing some lows. But yeah, we just gotta wait. We just gotta wait for that volume. We literally wicked out that high and then pushed straight back down. But there's nowhere for me to want to jump in shorts just yet. There's so much anywhere in this range on gold. There's just so much noise, and so unless gold breaks, you know, below the support all the way back down here, then we could consider it. But until then, we are just gonna sit on our hands for now. We're gonna sit on our hands and we are gonna wait. That's finding a little bit of support. Yeah. Did anyone take that GU push? I don't trade that pair, but that was a very, very nice push.
No, I was watching gold.
Yeah, good man. Same as me, man. I don't really trade it. Wonder if this little Nas play is going to flip bullish around the support. Now breaking this little support, we're going to get a closure. Are we grabbing that 30 low? Yeah, grabbing that previous 30 low. Let's see if we're going to break here. USD CAD liquidating lows. Got my hand. Very nice. I don't like USD CAD. How's this nice pushing on the 5? Breaking that support, but it's also got a lot of support there as well. Goldie's starting to have that push. Oil, not doing too much just yet. Not yet. See how this 30 is going to close on all our pairs. See, gold has broken this low, coming to push back up. But I'm not going to take this sell because the range here is just so messy. So messy. I'm going to wait for this 30 close before we do anything else. Nas on the 5 is flipping quite bearish. Grabbing them highs, pushing down. See this level here on gold right now. This is the previous hourly and 30 low. So if we look at this on the hourly now, hourly's grabbing this support. Oh fuck, wrong chart. Here, hourly. Hourly's now grabbing this previous hourly low, which is a big level. And the 30 is about to flip very. So it's going to see 30 is grabbing these lows here. So is this 30 going to close like this, or are we actually going to start to pull back up? That's what we got to be wary of now. 5 minutes broken this little support, retesting. But there's no levels for me to want to take the shorts just yet. It's too messy in here, too much noise. I need cleaner price action out. Gold, oil starting to flip out on the 15. I'm gonna wait for this 30 close on all our pairs because this 30 could be nice. Wonder if Nas is gonna break that support. We'll just stay in that little range, little rangey range. 5-minute retesting. Gold still could have that drive, but gold just has too much mess for me to want to take it. Way too much. See, look at all that. Close 50% on euro pound. Good shit, man. Good shit. Very nice. What do you think about gold? That's what we're watching at the minute. Seeing how this is going to close around this support, but it's very messy in this 5-minute. This is where you get chopped up if you try and trade this 5-minute. I'm waiting for the cleaner volume on this 30 and 15 in 8 minutes. Not gonna do anything until then. But the lows of this range now on gold is only 7 pips, which is tiny. Hey, where's YouTube gone? How long have we got? 7 more minutes. Yes, too messy? Yeah, way too messy. Way too messy. Nas finding some support here. Look at that. Gold's starting to push back up. Look at this 15 now. Grabbing these lows. Maybe close back above this support. Now it's starting to find that support there. This 15 is going to be interesting. Alright, give me 2 seconds, I'm going to the toilet. How's this 5 looking? The 4 hour on gold is looking good. Let's have a look. How's that 4 hour looking? Nah, not to me, man. 4 hours. Look at this. The last time the 4 hour gets stuck in this range, it can just chop around and just chop around. See, look at this. Look at this. I think the 4 hour needs to come back down and grab this low all the way back down here. Oh, oil's having this nice push now. See if we're gonna get a nice 30 close here on oil. Wicking out that low, retesting that level, flipping very bullish. Gold now having that push back up, breaking back into this range. If this candle can still reflip on this 30, and we can start to have this aggressive push back up, then we have the potential to long it back up into here. This is quite a nice push now. Previous 5, false break and retest, didn't break the low, now pushing back higher. Maybe a push into 1969 and then drop. I don't think we'll drop again. The daily's very bullish. Look at gold on the daily. Completely faked out yesterday, closed incredibly bullish with that weak US dollar news. So nah, overall, this could continue running higher. I'm just looking for minor scalps today. I don't really care what the 4 hours going to do. I'm just interested in the next 15 to 30 minutes. 5 is closing back into this range. Nas is actually breaking the support now. That's a lovely push on oil. Lovely, lovely push. I need a nice close though. That's breaking a little support. Oh yeah, look at that 5 having that aggressive push now. Last push in the last 5 of this 30-minute candle. Very, very key. Very, very key. Look at that 5. Are we going to get that break? In 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, we'll see if this 30 is about to flip bullish or still break back below this level. If we push all the way back above here, that'll be some crazy 30-minute grabs. 1 more minute. Oh, look at that. Nas grabbing the previous 5-minute high, flipping bearish. 5. Broke that level, re-grabbing that previous 5-minute high, having that drive lower. Ooh, Goldie, look at this. 30's about to close right back, all the way back above. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. This is why you don't want to watch the 5-minute too much in these ranges, because the 5-minute can do anything. You think gold will drop or go up? I don't think it's going to really do anything, to be honest. I'm just going to play around in these ranges. If we break these highs, I'll play it back up into these highs before taking it back down to this low and this low. I'm just waiting to see how these 5s are going to close. The 5-minute closes like this and not an aggressive strong candle, I'm not going to do anything. We just have to wait. So 20 more seconds. Oh, 30, what are you doing? You're gonna just excuse me, hover below. Strong 30 close there. Yeah, gold on the 30 has still closed back into this range. So yeah, nothing on gold. I will not trade it in this range. See that 5 just left a big wick. I'll probably come up and fill in the wick, but that's not my play. Nice, had that aggressive push down. Oil's had a nice close though. Oil's had a really nice close. Oil on the 5, oh not on the 45, on the 5. Grabbing the previous. Oil may see a run. Let's just see how we're gonna go. Goldie pushing back lower. Still pushing lower. Oil driving, retesting these little highs. Oil can start to maybe reject somewhere around here, maybe. Like I wish I was on the lappy. Oh no, man, you ain't missing anything. You ain't missing anything. Gold could take another 30 minutes to get a push, unfortunately, but there's nothing we can do about that. I won't touch it until it breaks out of this more. I'm gonna sit around on London for a whole heap today, because unless we get some great volume on this hourly, I'm not expecting too much. I would have wanted to see some nice pushes by now, to be honest. But that previous 30 was nice. As long as you don't re-break that, you still may have that push. But I'm not going to be actively looking for it just yet. What a week. Yeah, man, choppy. Choppy, choppy. All part of the fun, though. All part of the fun. Alright, oil starting to reflip. Gold starting to reflip. Oh no, oil. Spoke too soon. How's Nas pushing? Nas stalling a little bit. Let's just see, let's see. Because look, this hourly, you know, the hourly still has a lot of potential. If this hourly can reflip bullish, you know, we've broken above this little level. We do come into some barriers and struggles here, but if we do get a nice spike in volume, there's no reason this couldn't have a little quick, you know, 30, 40 pips spike up into here. We grabbed that previous hourly low. If the hourly closes back into the range, then we'll just continue to do shit like this. But if this current hourly can give signs of reflip and bullish, it's got potential. But if the hourly just closes back below here, like I say, we just have to wait because we could just do absolutely chop. Look at oil pushing back lower. What a push. What's a push? So yeah, we just gotta wait. Gotta wait for the trades to come to us. We can't really do anything. We just have to wait. This is hourly looking on oil, doji, but the 30 was nice. So unless that 30 flips back into here, I mean, so we wicked out that high. But I mean, overall today, whether it comes in London or not, I'm wanting to see something like this. But I won't short it until we fully clear this support. If we get like a nice strong closure below here, then we could look to take it lower. We could have 5 minute flipping back bearish now. 30 on oil. Look at that, completely reversing on that 5. Fucking crazy. Retest all them levels, flipping back higher. Oil is one wild horse. But this has been London this week, and that's just part of the game. London, the past like 4 weeks has had, probably more than that, it's had incredible volume, but this week has just been very, very slow in London on golds. Yeah, absolutely dead. This is London so far today. This was London and Asia yesterday. Wednesday in London. I had a nice run up there actually. Had a nice run up in London on Wednesday. Where's the Tuesday? Tuesday, London. Chop. Slowly just crept up, but chopping. Monday in London. Back down here. Chopping. Chop, chop, chop. That's just market cycles. It can't be straight volume every single day, you know. But like I say, when gold has had like a over 200 pip run up, we could do this for a day, to be honest. But usually the ranges are nice enough to scalp some little plays, but in these ranges, no sir. Hell nah. Starting to push back up. Now we got 23 minutes until this hourly could flip. If this hourly doesn't flip, we just have to wait. Porsche 718 just passed me. Nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. How is Alan still in the chat? YouTube guys, ask over some questions. Get some questions in the chat so we can pass time whilst we wait. Little potential inverse head and shoulders there on gold. How many pips is that little quick bounce off support?
I got a question.
Yeah, man.
Back in the early days, how much time did you spend back testing, like in your downtime?
Quite a lot in the beginning.
Yeah.
Yeah, quite a lot, man. I don't really do it anymore. I don't enjoy it anymore. I prefer to forward test. But yeah, I would do some pretty long back testing sessions, maybe like 2 hours most weekends. 1 to 2 hours on the weekend.
My reasoning is like the Forex pairs I've been forward testing, GU, UJ.
Yeah.
Like, I don't feel the need to back test those.
Yeah.
Pretty, in terms of what we do in the group, they're pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
Gold seems to be a bit different. I'm not confident trading gold on my own. I'm not very savvy with it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna back test.
Nice.
I'm just curious as to you know, how you did it back in the day.
Yeah, I would just pick like a time frame and, you know, just spend like a weekend just back testing like all of June in the London session. Shouldn't take like crazy amounts of time, and just try and back test like a month's worth of a certain session. We're just as much as you can, really. I used to I didn't then, but now I get very bored of back testing. Maybe because I've done it that many times. But yeah, just a couple of hours.
It's pretty boring.
It is.
To be fair, yeah.
I prefer forward testing, and you know, sitting here, I was watching it live, is all part of forward testing as well.
Yeah, I just mean it's more of it'd be useful to sort of compound the experience, you know, like speed up experience, you know.
Yeah, definitely, man, definitely. 5 minute on gold, tapping back into that support. We're gonna wait for this hourly on gold and see how this is gonna close. See if we're gonna close in this range, or we're gonna have enough volume for this to actually flip up. Because this 5 minute is absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Profit targets on GU. Well, you got this here, right here. This is a level on the 30 where we could retest and go higher in an overall big trend. So yeah, you want to be monitoring around here, because anywhere in this range, you get a lot of noise. So you want to start managing kind of pretty much where we are, to be honest. FX tester 5 is good because it can give you a date on your trades. Nice, man. Nice. Gold 5, reflip and bearish. Oh, maybe not. Maybe. Oh, it has been a slow grind this week, though. Been a very, very slow grind. This is one of the quietest weeks in the London session I have seen in a very, very long time. A very long time.
Off memory, I think February was quite shit. I think we had a solid 2 weeks in February when nothing happened.
Yeah. People say summer months are quiet, but still, it's never this quiet. You still can catch nice little scalps. But this has been crazy, crazy quiet. US has been happening. US has been stealing all the volume. Stealing all that volume. How's this 5 for you to close? One more minute. This 5 is going to close. No top wick just yet.
How about us along EU? Just forward testing.
Oh, good man. Good man. EU. Chart.
And it's dropping.
Nice, man. Nice. Yeah, breaking nicely.
Like on the break of support and the retest try to push back.
Yeah, nice, man. I like it. Broke, retested, rebreaks that low.
Take a look at it on 15 or 5.
15. Oh, yeah, nice. Rebreak that low. Yeah, looks good, man. Looks good. Alright. Gold, are you going to flip bullish? What are you going to do, man? We're waiting for you. UK 100 some decent move in London this week. Yeah, UK 100's weird, man. UK 100's very fucking weird. What was it on here? Is that it on here? Ooh, yeah, nice grabs. That was a nice play. Grab that liquidity. Have you traded it much, Beer, or are you just kind of just forward testing at the minute, playing around? I'd be interested to see how you find it.
EU?
No, so just asking Beer about UK 100. As you pushing it. Stalling. 5 is closed. Bearish, still respecting that support. 15 has just closed again. How's that 15 just closed? Doji. Yeah, I'm monitoring as well at the moment. Don't feel confident yet. That's good, man, though. Forward test it. Keep watching it. Absolutely, keep watching it, man. Forward test it. Just understand how it moves in real time. I think you get a lot of value from that. Liquidity card's been looking nice. Yeah, that London one today was very nice, man. Very nice.
I'm gonna leave you guys.
All right, man.
Come into an area where there's not much signal anyway. But
Sweet.
have a great weekend.
You too, man. You too.
And I'll speak to you all soon.
See you later, man.
Have a good one, guys.
Bye.
Hey.
Bye. Love you, bye. Gold has kind of got like this little left shoulder head, current right shoulder. We also got it here, left shoulder head, right shoulder. This area right now is so fucking key. 15's throwing big rejections to the lows. We're also throwing big rejections to the highs. There you go, it's having a push now. Gonna re-break that 5-minute high. So yeah, this 5's going to close. Yeah, and like this is the thing, and it's like, you know, like when you guys get into like full-time trading, when you see the markets doing this, like honestly, it's just worth sitting on your hands and either closing the laptop and coming back for US. The reason I'm staying on here is because I want to stay on with you guys so we can monitor it live. But you know, back in my day when I first started, if I opened my laptop and I had seen this for the first hour of the London Open, I mean, I closed my laptop, I'm out till US. And it's honestly that's the smartest way to play it, because I love the 5 minute for executing over here. But if you just trade the 5 minute, let's see if we were just trading this just 5 minutes today, we've seen this push down, we would have taken that sell, got stopped out. We've seen that aggressive push back down, you try to take the sell, you get stopped out again. The 5 minute, oh man, it's so manipulative in times of low volume, so manipulative. And that's why I love having my charts now like this, where I've got, why am I lagging? So I got the 5 here and I got the 30 here, so I don't get too caught up on what's going on here. I'm doing what we're doing over here. You got that EU sell, very nice, man, very nice. There's a valid play. There was no top wick on that. Oh, it's already got up there. So yeah, you just had that 15 close well. 15 broke, retest, rebroke the lows. Yeah, it's a nice play, man. You're on the 5. You'd probably want to be, yeah, see if you're in sells from there. Because we're finding that support, you'd probably want to, if you were actually in that position, be starting to manage a little bit. Just forward testing. Yeah, it's good, man. Good stuff. Good stuff. It's good to forward test. Sit here live, draw up some trades, see how they would have go, see how they would have went. It's good. Yeah, a lot.
Did anyone catch that GU trade? The liquidity grab?
No, man. Did you? Oh man, it was clean though. It was fucking well nice once that 15 reclosed like there. Oh, beautiful. So clean. Goldie. 5 minutes, 20 seconds. How many scalps have you taken today, Lewis?
I don't know. Probably, nothing too crazy.
It's so quiet.
It's dead.
Yeah, it's so dead, it's painful. I have to laugh, otherwise I'll cry. Look at that 5 minute again. That 15. What do you say to GJ? Let's have a look, man. I know before that push up we hadn't had a bottom wick. Yeah, there you go. So I was just mentioning, before that push up on that hourly, we had no bottom wick. So once we're around, so this is the daily high that we mentioned we have marked on here. As soon as we start grabbing this is where, again, you can start to get a lot of manipulation. So it's a false kind of pre-London move up. London's come in, and now you're starting to push it lower. But again, it does look like it's having very fucking little volume. Well, that's quite a nice 5 minute play. If this current 5 can flip, you could get a potential, 15 can flip, you may get a little drive lower. Maybe back down into this support. Could be a nice little level you could grab, maybe retest these highs. So you break it, retest it, grab the lows, flip back bullish. Maybe back into these levels. You could get a little play if that 15 flips back down. Goldie with the spike lower. I'm gonna wait for this hourly. We're coming close to the hour, like the first hour of this London now. So if we start to get a spike in volume close to the last couple of minutes of this hourly, it could be interesting. I say could be interesting very subtly, because it looks a bit. It ain't doing it. Fuck all. 30s coming back down. 30 if you have to flip, just stay stuck in this range. I'll be trading US though. If anyone wants to actually jump on US tonight, if we get some good volume, I'll be here. With the way London's going, I'm gonna have to revenge trade US session. And all week I've noticed that Nas has been waiting for that 9:30 open and just spiking aggressively.
Literally.
You could literally just put in some buy stops, and whichever one whichever one triggers, man, you get fucking ridiculous pushes. Absolutely ridiculous. So there yesterday. Where is it? There. Broke that level. Oh, that was well nice. What was that on the 15? Fuck. Broke that. Retested. Reflip bullish. Oh mate. My days. I do think that, and as in the daily, with the way that daily closed yesterday, if we start to reflip bullish, I think we could run the highs again. We didn't grab the lows, but S&P may have grabbed it. How long we go? Alright, we've got 7 more minutes till this hourly's going to close. If we don't get a spike in volume, then I'll wait. But if we do start to get a nice spike in volume, close this hourly close, then I'll stay on. But I don't want to sit here and force any trades just for the sake of trading. But if we get some volume, we get some nice breakouts, I will absolutely take it. What's everyone's plan on the weekend? What are you guys getting up to?
Nothing, man.
Chilling.
Going back to work, sadly.
Back on the grind. How long do you go to Europe again, Craig? Couple of
8 weeks, a little bit less than 8 weeks.
Yeah,
7 weeks.
Nice. I'm jealous.
Amazon is offering me that monitor for $209.
Ooh.
Grab it.
Nice, man, nice. Do you have a Mac or do you trade on a different
Windows?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I got mine on USB-C. I think you can get USB. I assume you can get USB as well. Because mine's on USB-C.
I'll look at it properly before I pay, but
Yeah. Ooh, looking at the FTSE straight back up. Nice. Nice. Have you traded like whilst traveling on the go much before, or will this kind of be like your first real test?
this will be my first test.
Nice. The travel trading life is the real life. It's where the magic happens. It's honestly it's one of my best environments to trade in. Simply for the fact that, you know, like today the markets are incredibly slow, and you know, when I'm sitting at home, it's so easy to sit here and force trades and think, oh, you know, the markets are shit. But when you're traveling and you're exploring new places, you close London, you go explore, and you're already happy because you're out exploring and doing different things. You don't care if the markets are closing. If the markets are quiet when you're in a completely new surrounding, you can go do shit. Or like if you take a loss, you go close your laptop and you go explore whatever new country you're in for the rest of the day. Like the whole mindset between traveling and trading, I think it's fucking amazing. I love it, man. I love it.
The snap out of routine gives you clean eyes as well. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know if that makes any sense. You look at everything fresh because your mind isn't numbed by the same old day to day.
Yeah, it's true, 100%. I'm like that. I kind of got to change up my environment quite a lot, otherwise I just get a bit like, I don't know, like a bit bored or like, yeah, kind of trying to just explore new places, and especially in trading where it's such like a psychological thing, you got to keep your mind fresh, whether it's, you know, exploring new places, going to the gym, meditating. Super important.
Also, if I take a little bit of responsibility over with me, then it'll keep me out of the pub.
But you have to go to that one you sent the video of. I want to see a picture there as well. It looks insane.
Oh mate, I've been pretty much sober all year, and
Nice.
I'm like waiting for that pub to break my sobriety, basically.
Yeah, sounds like a pretty good place to break it, to be honest.
Yeah.
Gold is pushing. See, look at this. We just had this spike of volume just close to this hourly. But the only thing is, we want to see it continue. We want to see it follow through. Yeah, nice. Give us a nice breakout.
Yeah,
This is a,
liquid.
yeah. How's your EU?
Have a look at AJ. Have a bit of a spike.
AJ. Oh, big
Meant
run.
to break your-
Big run. Just grab that previous 5-minute low, re-breaking the highs. Yeah, that's a big run, man. I've not really traded this pair too much. It looks pretty nice though. Well, there's a nice little trend line coming on that down there. Breaking that, ripping. Yeah, that's quite nice. That is nice. Do you trade it? You traded it much?
Not really. I was just looking at it.
It's quite nice. It's a nice rip.
If you go on like daily or weekly, you can see like pretty good movement. It's like just
Pretty clean.
trending upwards and upwards.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. That's a nice push. Had a little double top there. Yeah, structure-wise, it seems like it moves pretty nice. Look at that. You would have had it there. Grab the lows. Yeah, it looks quite nice. It does look nice. How's that weekly starting to look? Pretty aggressive. Weekly broke them highs. Little push down, re-breaking. Yeah, that looks nice, man. It's a pair that could be worth monitoring.
Yeah, I'm gonna add it to my watch list.
Yeah, good shot, man. It's a nice spot. I traded entered the end before. I haven't traded down in a very long time.
I used to know a guy who was an FTMO trader. He traded just AUD, JPY,
Nice.
and UJ on the 1 minute chart.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah, animal. Yeah.
Nice. On the 1 minute, wow. I mean, with the way London's going, I think I'm going to have to start trading the fucking 1 minute. I'm going to start trading the 30 second for that matter. I might actually get some pushes. So, go with the 1 minute. Oh yeah, look at that. Lovely. To be fair, you can't. I've only done it a few times, but you can catch some nice positions on the 1 minute. It's crazy volatile, but you can.
That's
You really can.
some cowboy shit.
I know people who trade the 30 second, which is even more fucking crazy.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Gold is kind of retesting that trend line on the 30.
35 here. Yeah, so I just had that hourly close. So hourly close is completely flip bearish, coming close to this support without grabbing any liquidity just yet. 5 minute has just broken this little support. Haven't grabbed any lows. It's a nice strong 5 minute momentum. I was about to say you could probably get this 5 minute flip, but you just would have just triggered. I'm scared that you get stuck in low volume. I'm hesitant with the way that the market's been pre this move, but in normal conditions, I would look for something like that. I just don't want to get stuck in. There's nothing worse for me, psychological wise, than getting stuck in this. Oh man, it burns me out. But yeah, that was a nice hourly close. That was a nice hourly close. 5 minute, yeah, it did break that level, just retested. Stops would be around 12 pips. First target would be there. And second target would be to run back down to about 157. 157 would be a beauty play. Yeah, it may have a run. Let me see. Let's just see. I want to see a little bit more commitment. That was a nice hourly close, nice 15 close. That's the strongest close we've had all morning. Caught a nice low buy on gold. Whoa. Oh, what would you have just spiked? Did we just liquidate some lows?
Whoa.
Whoa. What did you just spike? You just spiked a quick 7 pips. Did we grab them lows? No, not yet. We may be getting some volume here. See, this is the high that we liquidated and had this big drop off. It's a shame the price action was so shit to actually take this trade. There was nowhere to even want to even short this. Yeah, nice little break, little quick hook. Yeah, that's quite a nice push actually.
Nah, man, just remove that tool.
Yeah, here we go, boom. Coming down into them lows, grabbing that low now. What would you have just hit? I'm just drawing this as if we would have taken it, even though we haven't taken it, I'm still want to draw it. So you would have just hit only 8 pips, nothing crazy. But you'd want to be break even because we still could come and run this 5-minute high, which is quite interesting still. Could come and re-grab this 5-minute high, retest these levels, and then we could look to do the same again. Because the hourly has flipped incredibly bearish. Now we're just leaving a little double bottom here, which is nice. So this needs to be grabbed a little bit more. Oil, 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 oil. Oh, look at that 30 close, ripping higher, straight back down. Oil is one fucking volatile commodity. There you go, again, that push. Oh. As long as we don't break this low here, any closures below here, quick little hooks, I still think we get the short. That would have been a nice quick range, you know. What would you have just spiked into? 10 pips? Nice. Yeah, we're gonna hit the low. Motherfucker.
I think G just had a little double pop.
Ooh. Hello. Gee, hello, Sammy. Hello, buddy.
On the 5-minute.
On the 5-minute. Oh yeah, just wicked out there. Look at that, just wicked out that little 5-minute high. Had that push. Yeah, that's nice. See, our entry, if I was to trade GU, our entry would have been on this 15 flip here. Yeah, that would have been banging, man. That would have been banging. We're getting some nice volume here though. This is good. This is good. GU short just took out the daily double bottom. Yeah, very nice, man. Anyone on YouTube take this GU catch? Called it very, very well. I just don't day trade this pair, but it's a very, very nice push. Hello. Charlie, come up. Hello, Sammy. More than happy living up to now. Soon. Right, 5 minutes just closed bearish. The 5-minute can wick up a little bit more and give a worthwhile risk to reward. I will consider it. As long as we don't grab this. As long as we don't grab this low before giving me an entry, I will still short into this because this is a clear level to come and grab now. How's oil just closed? Yeah, oil just closed beautifully on the hourly as well. We just had a spike in volume in the last 5 minutes, which is very, very nice. I'm gonna look for some potential longs on oil. Oil just grabbing that previous 15-minute low. If oil can come and re-break its high, there's some potential there. Come back up into these highs. If it can re-break it. Was in it for 200 pips. Amazing. Very, very nice. Same as GU. Sorry, gold. Gold grabbed our high. Grabbed our high and has had that almost 40 pip sell-off. There's just been no entry in any of this price action. So we've been able to read the market as well this morning. We just haven't. Just catching an entry just been difficult. I don't trade shit like this. It's not worth it mentally. But that GU one, very, very clean. All gold. Oil just starting to find some support. How's oil looking on this 5? Let me see. Previous 5 did flip bearish, so I have to wait till this 5 flips bullish. Gold looking like it's probably just going to come and hit our level, which is unfortunate. That was a nice little quick break. Hello, Sammy. Hey, don't bite me. Oil. Oil on this 15 does interest me. This 15 potential rip back higher does interest me. Hourly could we play oil back up into like 72. Would be a nice little target. You got this broke resistance hook. Big resistance. Yeah, so potential buys of oil back up into 72 could be a nice little play. Oh, that's a nice GU push. Ah, gold grabbed our low. Motherfucker. Ripped. Oh, nice quick 17 pip play. Look at that.
No.
Yeah, that was whoever caught that GU position, very, very well played. Real nice. So this is what I said before this push back down, you know, this is the trap. This is where every retail trader tries to short here, stops just above this high. As soon as we grab that high, you don't short here, you wait for the 15 to flip back bearish. As soon as it does, amazing, you take the short, you beat your stops above there, and then you're just getting a really nice play. You just hit what? 20 pips, nice 1 to 3 risk reward. It was a beautiful play. Gold with the push now.
How about shorts on the close of this 5 minute?
Yeah, it could be nice, man. It could be nice. I won't short it yet because stops are gonna have to be like 26 pips, which is quite big. I'll wait for this
we could
15.
kind of look for a retest like with the previous 5 minute after close of this.
Yeah, I think so, man. There. I'll look for something like that. Something like that would be nice. Yeah, nice, really nice strong 15 closure here. Come back up to retest here. Grab that previous 5. Yeah. Getting some big pushes here. Oil still pushing down. I'm gonna go onto the 5 on oil, but keeping in mind, oil on this 30 and hourly has flipped bullish. So if we get any signs that this 5 minute could start to take a turn, we can look for oil. Oh man, I waited all morning for this push and it has just dropped.
Come on, Halsey.
Hey?
He's fine.
I know.
You finished with them.
Whoa.
Hello Sammy.
Harry, you gonna be back on for US?
Yeah, boy, I'll be on for US, man. See what it's saying. Yeah, probably, man. If we get some setups, definitely. I wanna take something with you guys.
I'm heading off. I'll see you soon.
All right, man. Talk to you soon.
In a bit.
See you, mate.
Hold us closed. We can wait for the previous 5 minute.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this 15. Because even if this 15 closes like this is exactly what we want. Anyway, then we want a 15 to retest, and then boom. GU tapping into the support. All right, oil starting to have this push up. Remember this oil hourly and 30 is very bullish. So I'm keeping in mind how there's oil starting to picture on this hourly. Hourly will start to be leaving a nice wick on oil. Wrong chart. Yeah, hourly starting to leave this nice wick, retesting these highs. Some more bullish pushes out of oil, and I'm going to look for a play. Let me get G off there, it's kind of distracting me. Grabbing that previous 15-minute low. If this oil can flip bullish, we may have a nice spike. Look at that run on gold. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere, just drops 35 pips, which is huge. But I won't chase it. I gotta wait for closures and then look for the re-entries. But I don't want to sit on for much longer until this hourly, because I want to come back for US as well. And my dog's fucking nuts. Sammy. Up, up, come on. Come here, you crazy dog. Jesus. Oh, you are nuts.
Yeah, he's been crazy, man.
Why is he going crazy?
I don't know, it's like
We'll go for a walk after.
6 o'clock came and all of a
Go,
sudden it's
go.
witching hour.
Come on, Sammy.
He literally started napping on 6 o'clock.
Has he been asleep?
No, no, no. I like have done toys and tricks and games with him.
7. Okay, that's enough. I gotta make money. No, that's enough. I'll play with you after. Play with you after. Oil, come on, oil. We've got faith in you. We've got faith that you can give us some goods this morning for longs back up into 172. We have faith. There's some dinner. Oh, there's 4 hour on gold. See, 4 hours grabbing that previous 4 hour low, which is, it's like the analysis and you know the levels that gold is coming into is exactly what we spoke about today. Grabbing these lows, you know, grabbing these highs and then grabbing these lows. So it's played out. The analysis has been perfect. It's just catching entry has been so fucking difficult. I mean, in normal times, I would have taken this one here. But the fact that we did this all prior to this move is like, I didn't trust this move at all. I need more than this. So only until we break that level has it kind of been more confirmed. Right, oil. What would stops be? Stops would be around 27, playing up into 75. Let me go back to the 15 and just draw it up and see how it's going to look. I'll be aggressive on the break even because oil is a wild horse. Playing it back up into here. Let's see. I'll put it in just yet. I'll tell you guys when I put in this oil, if I do put it in, and I'm just monitoring this 15 on the screen. Sorry, the 5. Going into the last 5, there's 15 as well. So if we start the 5 starting to push quite strong. The 15 closure is there. So we will look for this 15 flip to have this nice bullish run back up. As soon as gold closes on this 15, we can look for it to retrace as well for potential push.
Did you put that oil?
Nah, not yet, man, not yet. I'm watching this 5 minute on this screen. It's just leaving a wick at the minute. Okay, so 15's closed. 15's not flipped bullish yet, so not gonna take it yet. I would have wanted to see it flip in this current 15. So we could come back down a little bit more first. 30 still has potential, but 30's not grabbed any 30 lows. Yeah, I kind of would have wanted to see it flip in this current 15. I think we may come down a little bit more. Right, 15 has just closed on gold, breaking the support. Now if golden gives a top wick, we could look for some sells on gold. 5 minute, it's closed bearish, doji bearish. I'll give it to a 30 minute. But gold now, if you short gold now, you have to have stops all the way above here at 25 pips. 25 pips stop loss, only been in this range, is very high risk to me. I would rather wait for it to, because gold could easily just retest all of these levels. I would personally rather wait for it to retest and I would look for the flip out of that. As this 5 is finding some support, so you may even reflip on this 5. Back up, it's there. I'm going to stay until the 30 close. I don't want to stay on there for too much longer. Creating a little potential 3-pin pattern there on the 5. This 5 can flip bullish, maybe a little run back up. Oil hasn't flipped yet. We still got time on oil. Oil could be a nice little play soon. Hey Sammy, soon, go for a walk soon, buddy.
What's the RR on oil?
The what, sorry?
What's the risk reward on oil?
Be around 1 to 3. want 2.5 up into these levels. And if the weekly can continue, and the weekly could even run all the way back up, because the weekly is at massive support. Daily's closed doji. But yeah, I'll be considering break-even points around here, but around here to be honest.
We are still in kind of range. No.
Yeah, big range, man. Just the hourly that's closed nice and strong, breaking out. So if the hourly can reflip higher, we could get a nice drive. I'm off, man. Have a great weekend. See you Monday. Take it easy, man. Maybe chat to you over the weekend if you win the 50k giveaway, which I'm probably going to do this evening. There you go. Gold respected that previous low and now reflipped higher as mentioned, like this.
So about top step, does this challenge start after placing the first trade or on the first day itself?
Whenever you activate the account, man, so you get given credits and you have to activate it. So it starts whenever you want to start it. So yeah, you'd save it for next week. Now that 5's grabbing that previous 5. If we break this 5, you may push lower. But now you have to be careful of this. Oil 15's not giving me any confidence just yet. 5 has closed bullish. I'm not going to take oil just yet. If I take oil, it'll be half risk because I'm still getting used to it.
On 5 minute.
Yeah.
Grab that previous 5 high.
Yeah, grab that previous 5 high. If it re-breaks this low, then you could have a push. But your stops would probably be 10 pips. 5 min on oil, still pushing lower. So you look at that on oil now for filling some lows because that 15 didn't flip.
So it could be like 11 pips.
Yeah. Maybe gonna stay on for another 10. I need a break, man. See how this 30 is going to close in oil. I mean, yeah, you could consider something like that, but it's not really my play. If it re-breaks that low, then you could consider it. But you've got to be break even at 7 pips right here, because it's a lot of 5 minute noise. See, if we had caught this short for whatever reason, I'd already be out. Because it's a big hourly level. Oil doesn't want to flip, so it looks like we've had that spike of volume, then back to choppy. Back to choppy.
No, just invalidated the idea on gold.
Yeah. I'm gonna stay on for another 10 minutes and I'm gonna wait for US. London ain't showing me too much today. Time is it in London? 9:20 AM. We'll see if US gives us some volume and some spikes today. Hopefully it does. How's the 4 hour looking on oil? Is it a wick? Yeah, look at that 4 hour. 4 hour resistance. Hourly has closed bullish. If the hourly reflects bearish, you'll probably just have a little drive back into these lows. There's a 4 hour looking on Goldie pushing down. See the 4 hour on Forex going to under a different. I wonder it's pretty a big wick. Nah, very similar. music, man. Oil is the only one that's shaping up nice to me. Oil is the only one that's still got opportunity. But it'll be all dependent on this 30 in 8 minutes. Oh. How's this 5 minute looking on oil? The 5 minute has flipped incredibly bearish. The 5 minutes flipped bearish, now leaving a wick. So fucking choppy, man.
So choppy.
Damn, just insane. Everything that's like shaping up nice, everything looks like it's shaping up nice, and then that straight back to chopping. Chopping. How long have we been on for? 2.5 hours, wowee. This is what it's been recently. Usually I'm done within like the first hour, 2 hours max.
It's the best, man.
Oh, it's the best, man. Yeah, it is. My max is 3 hours, and no more than 3 hours. See, there's 5 minutes. We're coming close to this 30-minute close here on gold, and this 5 minute is closing quite strong, which is making this 30 leave this wick to close back above this level and stay in this fucking range. So this is the 30 flip on oil. But I would have wanted to see this drive already. I wouldn't want to see oil now flip in the last 5 minutes. I would have wanted to see that continuation happen already. Would have wanted to see this quick little retest and strong volume straight back up. The fact that it's just hovering so quick is what makes me hesitant. Right, let's see. So 5 minute is now finding that support. 30 is starting to leave that wick and re-break that 30 high, and I will still consider. So we're gonna get that five close in 10 seconds. YouTube guys, the ones that are still hanging around, appreciate you tuning in. Remember, drop a little like for the stream. See if we can get a quick little scalp before we call it a session. I think oil waits that CAD news start. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, man. What time is that? I think it will as well. It was looking like we were going to get some nice spikes in volume. Just a little quick London play. That's not until 10:30 PM my time. Yeah, it took quite a while for that. I got another 4 hours. Because the hourly was looking really nice. Oh. Hourly closed bullish. Just looking to get a little quick spike, little London quick little scalp back up. But yeah, I think you're right. I think we're probably going to wait for that news. But that news is going to bring a lot of volume in oil. I'm just going to wait for this 30 close. So we're just watching this 5 here on gold. This last 5 of this 30. We're going to see how this 5's close. This 5 closes strong. We're going to believe in a wick. How's this 5 minute looking on oil? So the previous 5s have flipped bullish, bearish, wicked out some lows, just about closed bullish. Not a whole heap of volume, but we have wicked out the previous 5 minute highs. My only concern now is if you get tagged in this in oil in the last couple of minutes of this 30, you can get tagged and then the next 30 can come all the way back down again before then going up. So when you come so close to the last 5 minutes of like the 30 minute or hourly, it's typically when you can get the most manipulative candle and things completely change around. So if you start trading the last 5 minutes of the 30 an hour, it starts to become very risky and the probability starts to go down. like this. You try jumping these gold shorts now, and this is the last 5. This could easily just start to pull the way back up. It's 5 minute on oil, it's closing a bit doji. Five minutes flipping. Even if this 5 flips on oil, I'm not taking it. It's too close to that 30 close. Even if this 30 just leaves a little bullish body, next 30 could still come down before going higher. I want to go sit and draw now. Oh, nice quick plays. Golfing candle on the 15 minute oil opened at 70.78 on the 15. I think I was watching it now. Which one? 70.78. This one? This one would have been nice. I didn't see this one. This one would have been nice though. But the only thing is with this one, if you replay it, right, ignore what's actually happened. The reason you wouldn't want to take this one is because you long oil here. You're longing right into this resistance. So you come into instant problems right here. Regardless of if it's going to break. Second, or if you go long here, the second that it comes into this, you got to start managing your position. So you come into a lot of trouble at only, look at that, like 8 pips. So yeah, it had to clear this range properly. So only once it then, see the next 15 minute, there you go. So you wick back down, retested, start to reject that level. So you've only had that now. This is the first candle that's actually cleared all of this range. So only until we actually clear that range can I consider it. So that's the only reason I wouldn't take that one. I wouldn't be buying it from here either. But that 15 has spiked all the way down. So if this 15 here, after grabbing that 15 low, had good volume, you'd want to see this 15 have that spike and drive. And I'd be taking that 15 all day. Are you in on oil? No, not in oil, man. I would have wanted to see this 30 have this push already. The fact that this 30 is stalling, unfortunately, we're probably going to wait for that Canadian dollar news. Gold's pushing back up strong. 30's leaving that bottom wick. Could just break back into that zone. Oil may flip overall in the hourly, but I'm personally not going to sit around for that. Because the hourly is now broken out. So this is the first hourly breakout. So this is the first real confirmation you've had of good signs of volume and breaking out of this range. So that's the first confirmation. You know, it's easy once you see this breakout to look back and then be like, oh shit, why didn't I take that? But until this breakout's actually happened, this is the first confirmation you've had. So now you've had that confirmation, amazing. Now you can look to take it. But waiting for that, it will save you a lot of losses. You know, save you a lot of eliminating all predicting and just reacting. So.
Okay, now she's booming.
Who's booming?
We're done for
US100 just had a huge spike.
Oh yeah, she did. Did you scalp it?
No, not yet.
That's cat.
What do you mean?
So what we just had there on gold. So the last few minutes of that 30 have just started to push up. That 30 is starting to leave that wick. Around all of this noise. Oil hasn't flipped. I would have wanted oil to flip in this 30. You know, we've got news later on, and we've had a lot of quietness pre-London. The hourly may still have the drive, but I'm personally not looking to hold for another 1, 2, 3 hours. I want to be in and out in the next, 30 and 15. So that's not really my play. US had that spike down, now pushing higher. So yeah, that's it for me this morning. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to come back for US. I'm going to let price to its thing develop a little bit more. And we'll see if we get some plays later on. People can still consider that, but I'm personally not going to sit around and watch it. If it doesn't trigger in this hourly, I would let it do its thing. But yeah, if we get some movement later on, I'll be jumping on with you guys on Zoom for the US sesh. So let's let price do its thing. Let gold develop a little bit more. Be careful of all of these ranges. And if we get some continuation back up, amazing. We'll look to take that. But I'll let you guys go.
Alright, man. See you. Bye.
See you guys.
Good night.
See you, man.
See you, man.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Alright. YouTube guys, I'm going to wrap up there. No trades taken this morning. I would have loved to catch this short down. We called this move really, really well. We spiked out that high, grabbed that liquidity and came to grab this low down here. So, called the markets very well, even in this choppy little range. If you guys caught GU this morning, very, very well played. We had that beautiful play called to absolute perfection. Oil is looking like it's going to shape up and give this flip, but I don't want to sit here and burn myself out too much before US is even open when I'm going to jump on again. But I appreciate you guys taking time to tune in. If you did take value from the stream, remember, drop a little like, subscribe, all that good shit. And we'll be back again on the streams next week to continue the winning streak. So I'll let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Enjoy your weekend. Trade safe. And talk to you guys soon. Peace.